Welcome to Lichfield Terrace. This property is situated on Upminster's popular cathedral estate. The property is situated just 0.4 miles from the renowned Cooper's Colburn School. The property has also been extensively extended, and I cannot wait to show you inside. Let's take a look. The downstairs accommodation offers a front lounge, a rear dining room, a downstairs shower room, a 16-foot kitchen and a separate utility room. The first floor offers 5 bedrooms, a family bathroom and a separate WC. Externally, the property offers off-street parking for 2 cars underneath this carport. You've also got a double detached garage at the rear of the property, and it also has access into your rear garden. The rear garden measures approximately 50 foot and is very low maintenance. You have easy access into Upminster High Street and station via the 248 bus, making the 0.7 mile journey even quicker. All local amenities can also be found on Front Lane and Moor Lane, just 0.3 miles away. I hope you have enjoyed this video tour as much as I have shown you. I really do encourage you to come view this home in person to see what it really does offer. My name is Christian West, we are Balgores, and I can't wait to show you around.